Hello, my name is Hans Krimsky and I work for Itelligence Western Europe. Today we will discuss business process changes and return on investment we can expect from implementing IoT within your companies. To discuss this today, we have Jakob from Denmark, Marco from Switzerland, and Gökhan from Turkey. So if we look at how IoT is changing the business processes, what are we seeing in the market trends?
Yeah, we see that customers have ideas of process, but often the mindset to have a completely new way to look at processes is not there.
So if we look at how IoT is changing the business processes, what are we seeing in the market trends?
Yeah, we see that customers have ideas of process, but often the mindset to have a completely new way to look at processes is not there. So what do you think in Turkey? Do you have the same situation?
Well, yeah, we do. I mean, they have they have the idea to they heard IoT a lot and they wanted to change. They wanted to add some business potential in IoT applications, but they're like, can I get an IoT, right? But it's not like that. IoT is not just a product. It's a methodology. So you have to, before you start doing something, you have to first think about what kind of business values you can get, and if, for example, if the return of the investment is, by the way, is good to do something really big. So yeah, that's just like in all the world. It's the same in Turkey too.
Yes, I think that it's important for customers to understand that they should use IoT to change processes, to ensure higher quality, to make sure that the customers, for example, get the right goods when they have a delivery, can ensure that in the packing process that things are packed the right way. And it's not just something you do by buying an IoT. You need to look into the process, where to change, where to put in machinery instead of people, or where to control people, manual processes. So it's not just technology, and I think that it's important for customers to be aware of that when they are working with IoT, it's a technology component that supports the change of a business process and not the other way around.
Maybe in France we see many initiatives on digitalizing processes and acquiring new data and more data from the business processes, and how that can be leveraged within the ERP solutions and within the existing processes of the companies.
Yes. We see in Denmark, we actually have customers that have been working with IoT for years. They have collecting data for many years, but they're not using them because they don't know what to do with them. And the technology has not been there for big data. But now they're starting up and what can we do? Because they now see that there's a possibility to build service on top of these data, and then they can actually earn more money from this. But I think it's 5 or 6 years of data that they have collected. And they are not useful now, but in the future that they can use them for new business areas.
And I think that it's not only about earning more money, it's being more effective, it's being more digitalized, meaning ready for digital natives on customer side and on our side of the employees. So the output of IoT is, in my opinion, not only a question of money, it's a question of direction of the company and also directory into the future.
Because you can also use IoT to connect further to your end client, not just with in logistics and all that stuff, but you have a customer and you can provide services and integrate into those as well, so you have a closer relationship with your customer by using IoT.
Yeah. And also, one of the topics are about the safety also. When you do some IoT applications, it makes the environment more safety in the working environment. You can just For example, we have, you can just check the environment and then see if everything is good for the health of the workers. So it's just not about money, as you say, it's also about safety and other things.
So IoT and the implementation of IoT within the processes is not only about return on investment and saving money, it's about quality, how to enhance the quality of the products you deliver, and also how to bring more safety within the operations and ensure that your operators, your employees are working in a better environment.